Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Before we start the video, there's a couple of things I would like to mention in here. First of all, I was filming on my cell phone as I did not have my equipment with me. I did not expect this car to be that bad. And also, in my phone, when I was recording, it was cutting off the first second of every clip I had, so some of the uh, conversation was kind of cut in there, but hopefully you enjoyed the video here. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like the content, and again, thank you for watching, and let's roll the video. Channel. Today I'm going to help my friend Mo from Detail Plus to work on one of the filthiest car I ever seen. So let's go inside and see what kind of work we need to do. This is a 2001 Toyota Highlander, and I'm just gonna walk you around and see what kind of condition it is at the moment. This is one of the local dealers brought it in, and boy oh boy, I'm not gonna say who for their privacy, but it's one of the cars they got on the auction and needs some cleaning. So let's we'll get to work on it, and we'll see what kind of magic we can do. Floor mats, and this is what's going on underneath of it. Again, just another reminder how bad this one is. So we'll keep going at it. Through the extraction, and this is what comes out.
Chocolate milk.
What do you think there was there? So dirt, coffee, what else? I don't know, a lot of other things, right?
A little bit of everything. I can't do that with this car, man.
Alright, so phase one extraction completed. We're gonna go on it again another time, maybe?
It needs a steamer too.
Yep, we're gonna steam it, and still a little bit, a lot of more work we need to do. We still need to do the seats, doors, dash. But so far, as for carpet, at this stage, looks way much better than before. Alright. Look at the quality of this vehicle. What is this here? Almost getting there. What a difference, man. What a difference. Okay, one more corner left, which is driver. That's usually I do the last. But I want to show you this magical tool. It's called the Tornado. And basically, DC over here, just gonna go through this one here. Okay. And voila. Alright, I'll keep going at it and let you know when it's done.